Diggersaurs by Michael Whaite. Read by Ben Hovis. What's bigger than a digger? Bigger than a dinosaur? Diggersaurs are bigger. Diggersaurs dig with bites so beak, each scoop creates a crater. They're tough and strong, with necks so long, they're super excavators. With cheery smiles, they dump huge piles of rubble off their backs. They shake around and break the ground, don't fall into the cracks. They smash down walls with wrecking balls and make themselves all dusty. They crunch and munch old cars for lunch. Their favorite ones are rusty. They really love to push and shove massive mounds of rocks. They pack and lift and stack and shift and build tall tower blocks. With spiky scales and pointy tails, they spin and drill deep holes. There won't be lumps or humps or bumps wherever this one rolls. This one feeds on plants and weeds and mows the grass so green. This one's beeping, brushing, sweeping, keeping all things clean. There's nothing bigger than a diggersaur. All together, hear them roar.